36 million seconds, 600,000 minutes, 417 days. In this video, we're answering how long it takes to actually become an expert in something, to become a subject matter expert or an expert in your niche. How do you become an expert and how long does it take? Today I'm sharing with you the hard truth about your journey to the top. And we're going to talk about the easiest way to grow your following to over 10,000 people. And of course, we're going to talk about fast-tracking your success. For all this and so much more, stay tuned. According to the experts, it takes about 10,000 hours of practice to become a subject matter expert. Well, you don't actually have to put in 10,000 hours before you start getting loud about whatever it is you're in love with, whatever you're passionate about, whatever your solution is for your people. But I have to tell you what the experts say. According to one of my favorite authors, Malcolm Gladwell, 10,000 hours is the relative easy to remember number of how long the experts agree that it takes to become one of them, an expert. But that's just a myth. It's just an easy to remember number. It really is determined by a whole variety of other factors, including your perseverance and determination, how often you're practicing, the quality of that practice. It's just like when you're working out. If those of you who enjoy lifting a couple of weights here and there, you notice that if you go to the gym or you go to your exercise session with a half-assed mentality of just, I'm here for the sake of being here, you're not going to get nearly the same results as if you were very intently focused on the exercise that you're working on. Those are going to give you two different results. So just because you're practicing for 10,000 hours doesn't necessarily translate out to being an expert. Two people could practice the exact same amount of time, but at different levels of intensity and achieve completely different levels of results. There's also, of course, your connection to outside resources and materials, but bottom line, it's a journey. It's about putting in the intent, putting in the perseverance and determination to achieve that next step, and then continuing that cycle, continuing to evaluate your progress and asking yourself, what is that next step? And then going for that one, continuing that cycle so that you're continuing to be better and better and better every iteration of your success. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us on the channel. This is going to be so much fun. We're releasing new videos every single week to help you level up your influence, your authority, and your income online. So come along for that journey. So if the 10,000 hour rule is entirely a myth, then why not start sharing your journey now? Get online, go get loud, go live, share your journey. Maybe you're building your business, maybe you're growing your business, maybe you're accomplishing amazing things in your life that you never thought you would possibly be able to because you found the frameworks and the systems that are really helping you achieve. So why not share those with the world? I love to see young people working their way through universities and college programs, and they're jumping online and sharing everything they learn, from little quirky things in history to engineering tactics and big high-level strategies. I love to see them constantly sharing what they're learning. And I love even more to see when entrepreneurs who are long out of school continuing to share their journeys and their learning moments with their people. This is going to help you in both areas of our character development. On the one hand, we have the knowledge that you're sharing that is helping establish you as the influential leader, as the authority figure. But you're also sharing the journey side of it, showing that growth, showing people the reality of your journey, and that is helping you become more relatable. So when we're both super attractive, accomplishing tangible results, amazing success story, we're also showing them that journey along the way. And hey, if you're further, or if you're at the beginning of your journey and you haven't really found yourself finding those beautiful moments at the top of your mountain, you're just hiking to the summit for the very first time, share that journey with people. You'll collect a community of people who are really devoted to you and your relatability factor. Your authority comes from, look guys, I am devoted to this topic and I am going to pursue this. If you want to follow along with the journey, come, but my perseverance is what's establishing authority at that moment. It's the relatability, though, that's going to keep people coming back for more. So go on, start sharing your journey, and while you're at it, drop some comments down below and let me know, what is the journey that you're on? What is the summit of the mountain that you're working your way towards? Let's celebrate each other. Let's make some connections. So throw down those comments down below. I love to see what you guys are up to. If you're looking to expedite yourself to the top of that mountain, if you really want to establish yourself as that subject matter expert, what I highly recommend you do is go seek out reputable coaches and mentors and programs that are going to help you achieve. Because what you're doing is you're kind of like going to all of the best restaurants and creating a sample platter that eventually you'll share with your people so that they can get a taste for the best of the best. And they don't have to go to one restaurant and the next and the next and the next and spend all of that money finding the things, the little gems that you have found. You've gone out and you've collected them for your people. You're giving them the best room service possible. What I want you to do is go find those reputable programs. Go find other people who are achieving results in your area. Niche down and look for those micro problems that you can find people to help you achieve those results. Collect those resources and share those with your journey, with your people, so that they can start achieving those results faster as well. And when you build in cross communication in your programs, then you're starting to get your people helping each other out, and together you guys are going to raise those floodwaters. You guys are going to achieve incredible results, and you're going to build deeper and better relationships with your people. Now, this is just one of the many strategies we cover in the Visibility Secrets Training Vault. It's absolutely free for you guys just because you're watching this video today. So click the link down below, join us for those trainings, and I will see you in our next one.